Tube's holding up. Woo! That was awesome. See the divot I made. Look at that. Good thing about tires, they give. Whew! Let's do it again. Except for better. Jump hurts to land, that's for sure. Ow. Alright, I'm going to show you what I got on my track so far, what I want to do to complete it. So here's the straight jump section, made that double. Still needs a little work through here. There's another double, like a little whoop-dee double. Another small double, another small double. Put a rut right here. Come in between these two trees, try to put another rut there. I'll put a berm on this corner into the wood section, fly up through here, kind of berm with this hill right here, and then make a fast section right through here all the way down through the woods, which probably will require me to clear out some stuff, and I might add a jump or two through that section as I go. We'll see. I still got to figure out what I'm going to do in here to give it more rhythm. I want to be able to put in like fast laps and just rip. So to do that, I need rhythm. So we'll come back down through here over the creek, make a jump out of that, put another rut here, cross back through the creek, and right back into the jump section. Let me know what you think or what you think I should do. Needs more dirt.